Welcome back to Machine Matrix. As we know, bulldozers are some of the most recognizable machines on Earth, removing dirt and gravel to and from wherever it needs to go. Today, we'll be looking at some of the biggest bulldozers ever made. Stick around to see a machine with an operating weight of 230,000 pounds. A bulldozer can be useful in many ways, such as for shallow digging, ditching, short-range transportation material, etc. Let's have a look at the 2050M. It's the largest bulldozer in the case lineup. The bulldozer comes with a 179 kilowatt Tier 4 engine and offers a massive drawbar pull of nearly 81 pounds. It has fingertip controls with customizable steering shuttle and 3,400mm wide blade, with sensitivity settings that can be adjusted between smooth, moderate, aggressive to match ground conditions and operator comfort. The ZOOMLION ZD220 is a Chinese-made bulldozer built and designed to provide high reliability and long service life. It weighs 23.6 tons with a length of 7.2 meters and a height of 3.3 meters with its 3.7 by 1.3 meter blade and 175 kilowatts of power, generated by a Humans NT855C280 BC3 engine. It can provide a maximum drawbar pull of 207 kilonewtons. Despite having a considerable weight and crawling mechanism, the ZD200 can run at 11 kilometers per hour. The SD7 is a near-ideal bulldozer built to withstand and work in the toughest conditions of construction sites, desert oil field, electric power projects, mining, and other large earth-moving projects. The machine is integrated with modular design and state-of-the-art machinery, which is easy to repair and requires low maintenance. With a 3,550mm wide blade and maximum digging depth of 498mm, this beast can have a bulldozing capacity of 8.1 cubic meters. The LIUGONG CLG B320 is another monstrous bulldozer made in China. Its design suits the needs of stripping operations in sand and gravel pits. The bulldozer is equipped with a new feature, a closed track bed which prevents sand and soil ingress. The bulldozer comes with a Cummins engine with a gross power output of 257 kilowatts at 2,000 RPM. While its blade is 10.4 cubic meters, at its best, 1559 Newton meters can be expected. The dressed TD40 is the heaviest and most powerful crawler dozer with an operating weight of 67.7 tons and net flywheel power of 515 brake horsepower. The machines are purpose-built for extreme duty construction, coal, and mining projects. The standard semi-U blade design combines the penetration ability of a straight blade with the increased capacity provided by short wings. It is used for heavy-duty applications such as mining and road construction. The TD40E Extra is powered by a diesel engine that delivers an outstanding 384 kilowatts of power at 2,000 RPM. The John Deere 1050K is a remarkable solution to many bulldozing challenges. Its 261 kilowatt engine employs field-proven, cooled exhaust gas recirculation and easy-to-maintain high uptime exhaust filters with the selective catalytic reduction. Thanks to its 43,100 kilogram and 5,600 millimeter wide blade, the 1050K is unstoppable against all challenges. Adding the gradient control system is as easy as plugging in components. Cab-forward design provides excellent visibility to the blade, and it enhances the operator's grading skills with ergonomic T-bar hydraulic control. It has a max speed of 11 kilometers an hour, giving it total flexibility to match ground speeds the load. The new CAT D11 Dozer offers improved performance at less cost. The new technologies allow complete power over the dozer to function safely and effectively. You can then transport more material in less time, at a lower cost per ton, to allow your investment quicker payback. This smart dozer has a sophisticated machine safety system, as well as a machine guidance system that improves efficiency and lowers costs. The Caterpillar D11 is equipped with a CAT C32 engine for optimal performance, which generates 633 kilowatts of power. On to yet another monster. This one is LIEBHERR's electronic crawler dozer, also known as the PR776. With its well-engineered, rugged body, an engine of 565 kilowatts, and a 28 cubic yard blade, the bulldozer provides exceptionally smooth operation, precision blade control, and an impressive view of the blade. Therefore, maximum efficiency is guaranteed during a heavy-duty operations, preparing mining pellet platforms and constructing and managing roads for trucks. The hydrostatic drives high performance in the entire range of vehicles, and the powerful diesel LIEBHERR engine reduces fuel consumption and maintains a low CO2 emission. The SD90 is a truly world-class bulldozer. It produces 708 kilowatts at 2100 RPM. A single electronic control panel is used for shifting the bulldozing process, which maintains a high degree of handling and composure of high trust. The ergonomic cab of the SD90 has a wide area and excellent vision. Its modular architecture makes it easy to assemble and disassemble. The track rollers follow K-elastic suspension to achieve a higher ground area of tracks and achieve a higher traction force, and are more stable running on uneven paths. The SD90 can be installed with a semi-U blade and a U blade. The Komatsu D475A displays a mixture of power and speed based on its 671 kilowatt engine, 108 cubic meter blade capacity, and 34.4 ton operating weight. It offers both equivalent outputs with an automatic lockup torque converter. The hydraulics, the train, the frame, and all other critical components are developed by Komatsu to deliver the highest reliability. You have a system with parts that function together to reach higher levels of efficiency and flexibility. Any operator on the mission can use a silent, convenient cab with ergonomic and flexible controls. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.